Yeah. This album is dedicated to all the teachers.
So I'm about to head to Ayeesha's again because we're gonna make a custom brace for the DC2. It's kind of a test run, and if it goes well, we'll put one in the DA as well. But Jarrell's at Bunnings right now getting all these parts, so I'm gonna meet him at Ayeesha's. I have no idea how this is gonna go, but we'll find out. Hello. Hello. They're all at Bunnings, so no one's home. That's what happens when you're late. If you haven't already noticed, I have body filler all over the side of the car because that's when I got it. It had this massive dent. I'll put a photo. Jarrell also has some little body filled parts because we're planning to paint pretty soon. What the hell is he doing? But we're not doing the brace.
We're doing exhaust.
We're doing exhaust now. His header. Because the 3 meters of pipe that they sold at Bunnings would not fit in the car. I reckon you could have done it. You could have fit the 3 meters.
We bring a saw.
And cut it in the parking lot. We'll bring the hacksaw again. Screaming in the middle of the parking lot.
Prelude takes 4 hours.
4 hours? Let's go right now.
I need to fix it first.
Fix what?
I need to put everything back in and put the battery holder in and put this.
Did you get a battery holder?
No, easy.
Exhaust is back to normal. Boring. Boring! Hello.
Oh my god, it's just flapping around.
Where's your flesh? Oh, there it is. Oh! She has exhaust leak and we need to fix for boost slip.
Okay, I found it.
It's so thin, dude.
You need a lot.
Yeah, you need it. You need a lot.
Like butter on the pancakes.
Do not race motor before potty potties. So that means you guys can race after.
Yeah. Let's just hope he doesn't, so we can fabricate one.
I don't think it fits, fam.
We need hammers. Cut it and then flatten it.
We can. It's coming out. It's coming out. We're gonna cut a piece of the metal off, flatten it down to make a battery brace because she can't drive it without one.
Okay, then you bring it, and then I think you went in a little bit, but it's okay. Bring it here.
You need to measure.
Fuck.
That's dangerous, bro.
Yeah.
Go. Threaten.
Your car.
Pretty straight.
Yeah, it's pretty straight. We should make a video where Michael Jackson is a dog.
Yeah.
You're making it.
Yeah, I like that idea.
Who is it for and what do you do? Go.
Hey! Pizza! She painted on the pizza box. She didn't even remove the cheese.
It's nice and bubbly.
Whoa,
What's a bubbly?
Why is it bubbly?
It's just big.
You put too much.
We're not even this dodgy. Just do quick sample.
After all this work, I think we should have just bought it.
Bought a flat bar.
I have at home.
Oh yeah, the one with the holes.
Yeah. They already have holes in them. I thought you just wanted to make it.
Yeah.
I completely remember that we had it. But we got to weld.
Alright. Ayeesha, you can hang this in your room.
Do you want me to actually go get it?
It would be way easier.
okay. I'll be back. Hello? This is Be My Man himself.
Yeah, there we go.
There you go.
Yeah, because you don't have a
All of a sudden, in the middle of the video, it'll just be changed to like this perfect.
Alright, guys.
Hey, what is
We're
it
done?
here? We're done.
I reckon that's enough.
Easy.
Yeah.
Fold it over something.
It's true. That's happening.
Hey guys. Hey guys. Out with the old and in with the new.
You gon' be here for a while. I'm gon' call my crew. You gon' call your crew. We can rendezvous at the bar around 2. Plans to leave. Throw the keys to little C's. Pull the truck up front and roll up the next blunt so we can steam on the way to the telly. Go fill my belly. A T-bone steak.
He's back.
Break. Conversate for a few. Cause in a few we gon' do what we came to do. Ain't that right, boo? Forget the telly. We just go to the.
So we're gonna put one of these rivet nuts into here. So it's basically just like having a welded nut, right?
Yeah. There's no
It's the equivalent, but it's just riveted in anywhere we want.
How did that work? Yeah, I'm so confused. That's it.
It's like you just put it in. How did that work?
Oh.
There you go.
Wow.
That looks nice.
Yeah, that
It's clean.
Very good.
Straight in. Let's go do Patrick's. Without asking.
Yeah. I hope he watches this.
Huh?
I hope he watches this.
Me too.
In the morning, Pat, when your plates have been riveted on, you'll know who it was.
Yeah. It was Be My Mods, fam. Be My Mods. There it is. This is the big job. Woohoo! I can't get it. Oh. To be fair, how much was it?
$100.
Yeah.
$100 a board.
$100 for a case swap header. Yeah. Let's do it. Look
I
at that damage.
fucking know. Like, how did that happen? How do
That's
you
damage. All right. So, what's the plan though?
Even over here. we
What's
need to
what's
put
the
this.
plan?
We're gonna cut it up into pieces.
And then
Yeah, but just cut it and weld it. That's it.
so
we're not even gonna open
we're gonna cut up each pipe.
Yeah, like that section.
Yeah, open them up, and then weld them back
Come
on.
back to Craig and in the bed. Believe me, sweetie, I got enough to feed the needy. No need to be greedy. I got mad friends with Benzes. See notes by the layers. True fucking players. Jump in the Rover and come over. Tell your friends jump in the GS3. I got the chronic by the tree.